Welcome to EDU World Space.
If this is a degree 4 polynomial with zeros of -3 minus 5i and 1 with a multiplicity 2, and if the coefficient of x in the fourth is 1, meaning the leading coefficient is 1, then our polynomial can be found by first putting it into factored form. So if -3 minus 5i is a 0, then x minus -3 minus 5i would be a factor. But this has got to come in conjugate pairs, -3 minus 5i and -3 plus 5i, because they're imaginary. So a factor would be x minus -3 plus 5i. And then if 1 is a 0 with multiplicity 2, then x minus 1 is a factor squared because of the multiplicity 2. So I'm going to rewrite the first factor by distributing the negative, so that would be x plus 3 plus 5i, and the second quantity would be x plus 3 minus 5i. And now we'll multiply these first two together by first distributing the x. You get x squared plus 3x minus 5ix, then distribute the 3 to get plus 3x plus 9 minus 15i. And then distribute the 5i to get plus 5ix plus 15i minus 25i squared. This is just the first two. All right, well, that becomes x squared plus 6x. The 5ix's cancel. The 15i's cancel. I squared is -1, so that becomes a plus 25. With the 9 would be plus 34. And then x minus 1 squared is the same thing as x squared minus 2x plus 1. And now we can multiply these together. Start distributing with the x squared to get x to the fourth minus 2x cubed plus x squared. Then distribute the 6x to get plus 6x cubed minus 12x squared plus 6x. Then distribute the 34 to get plus 34x squared minus 68x plus 34. So our function would be x to the fourth plus 4x cubed. We've got 1 minus 12 is -11. Plus 34 would be 23x squared. 6 minus 68 would be a -62x plus 34 for our function.